US working moms, yes, your baby can be warm and safety buckled this winter. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact cold weather setup, how to dress under the harness, how to check the recline so your baby's airway stays open, and what to do about head slump, and what's actually safe to put over the straps when it's freezing outside. Quick win while we talk. Lay out a door kit by the exit, a thin hat, mittens, socks, a lightweight fleece or footed onesie, and a small blanket. You're going to buckle first, then cover. That little station saves 10 minutes and 3 arguments with a car seat every morning. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse and your expert postpartum coach. And today, you'll get 4 things: winter harness basics, safe ways to keep baby warm over the straps, the fast fix for chin to chest head slump, and a short checklist you can do in under a minute before you drive. Before we dive in, a gift for you. My free resource hub for career moms has ready-to-use checklists and planners during pregnancy and the 4th trimester, so you don't have to overthink this period. It's free and it's linked below. Let's start with the non-negotiables. Rear facing protects the spine and head in a crash. Your baby's seat should be at about a 45-degree recline in the newborn range so the airway stays open. Use the built-in level indicator on the level ground. If the bubble or line says you're too upright, adjust the base per your manual. Once you're in the car, do a quick eye test. From the side, baby's chin shouldn't collapse onto the chest. If it does, we fix that in a minute. Now, clothing under the harness. Think indoor comfy, not ski lodge. A cotton or bamboo footed onesie, plus a thin fleece layer if it's really cold. No bulky buntings, snowsuits, or puffy coats under the straps. These compress in a crash and leave the harness loose. You'll buckle first with a seat-friendly outfit, then add warmth over the straps. Harness fit you can check with one hand. Place the straps at or below the shoulders for rear facing. Buckle and tighten until the webbing is flat and snug. Then try to pinch it at the collarbone. If you can pinch a fold, it's too loose. Tighten a little bit more. Don't be nervous. Slide the chest clip to armpit level. That's it. Flat, snug armpit. Warmth goes over the harness. Now, after you've buckled and snug, lay a thin blanket over the straps. A car seat safe shower cap style cover that sits over the shell is fine because it doesn't go between the baby and the seat. Avoid anything thick behind the baby or between the baby and the harness, including fluffy inserts you brought separately. Remember, if the inserts didn't come with your seat, skip it. House to car transfer without the chaos. Dress baby in the seat-friendly outfit. Bring the blanket and cover to the door. Buckle snug, chest clip to armpits, then blanket over. If you're using a shower cap cover, pop it on the outside. Start the car, let the air warm a little bit, then remove the blanket or open the cover so baby doesn't overheat while driving. Warm and safe means we adjust layers once the cabin temperature is comfortable. Let's talk about fixing the head slump fast. If your newborn's chin tips down after you start driving, pull over somewhere safe and reset. Recenter the hips deep in the seat. Recheck the recline angle and straighten your harness. You can roll 2 receiving blankets like little burritos and tuck them along the sides of the body to reduce side-to-side wobble, never behind the head or on the back. If your seat came with a manufacturer head insert for the newborn stage, use it as directed. If it did not come with a seat, don't add one. What about strollers and carriers in winter? For strollers, same rule applies. Bulky suits make harnesses loose. Use a foot muff or a blanket over the straps, not under. For baby wearing outside, dress baby in layers you can unzip. Place your coat over both of you if needed, and make sure you can always see the baby's face with the nose and mouth free. If you come back to the car, remove the coat and buckle again with indoor layers only. Let's talk about overheating versus too cold. How to tell. Overheated looks like sweaty neck, flushed cheeks, damp hair, or fast breathing. Too cold looks like cold chest or back, hands can be cold, mottled skin, or a fussy baby who won't settle until you add a layer. Use your hand on the chest or on the back, not your fingers, to judge. In winter, we tend to overdress because we are freezing. That's just natural. But the car warms up faster than you think. A 1-minute pre-drive checklist, say it out loud. Angle, 45 degree for newborns. Bubble says good. Harness, snug, no pinch, chest clip at armpit. Layers, no puffy under the straps. Blanket over if needed. Air, cabin is warming once comfy. Open the cover or remove the blanket. Head, chin clear, airway open. Working mom morning reality. If daycare requires a coat on the walk-in, use a jacket or bunting over the harness while you carry the seat. Then remove it before you click into the base and drive. Leave a second thin blanket at the daycare labeled with your baby's name so you're not playing where's the blanket at the pickup. Common myths I want you to forget. My baby needs a thick coat in the car. No, your baby needs a snug harness and warm over the straps. A coat is fine if I squish it down. No, compressed puff still leaves slack. If the seat feels upright, it's safer. Not for a newborn. Too upright risk chin to chest and block airway. Trust the level indicator. If you want done-for-you planners for the 4th trimester or even during pregnancy, grab the free Resource Hub for career moms. It's free and organized for busy schedules. Check it out. The link is below. Quick problem solves before we wrap. If your seat wiggles at the belt path more than an inch, reinstall using the method your seat and car allow. Latch or seat belt, not both, and lock the belt if required. Press down where baby's bum goes as you tighten. If the base angle won't behave on slope seats, check your manual. Some allow an adjustable foot or a rolled towel at the seat crease to hit that newborn recline. If the straps twist, flatten them before tightening. Twisted webbing can dig in and won't tighten evenly. You can do this. Buckle snug, blanket over, and recheck the angle. That's the whole winter plan. Warm and safe, every ride, even when you're late for work and haven't had your coffee yet. Next, watch this video. I'll show you how to set up the car seat, book the pediatrician, and handle the paperwork on the day of discharge from the hospital after birth. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sherry, and I will see you in the next one.